Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. This egg were from the chicken you just saw. This chicken raised free range in the backyard of my friend and colleague. Today I want to continue my fried rice series. With this fresh egg, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called golden fried rice. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients include chopped carrot, scallion, Chinese sausage, and green peas. We'll take 3 homegrown chicken eggs, separate the egg yolk, and mix them with the rice. This egg yolk turns the white rice into golden rice. Prime the wok with hot oil so the rice won't stick to it. First, stir fry the egg white. Then stir fry the veggie and sausage. Next, stir fry the rice. When the rice popping in the wok, add the egg white and the vegetable and sausage and keep stir fry. Add 2 teaspoons salt and keep stir fry. Add some more scallion and keep stir fry. Finally, add a teaspoon soy sauce. This is the golden fried rice I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.